me better education and provide our needs and wants. To my mommy, who works hard at night just to see and be with me during the day. To my great-grandmother, who is in the hospital right now. If not for her, I won't be here before you. To my grandparents, Mami-lo, Daddy-lo, ako, Nanay, Tatay, who are always there to support me. To my aunties and uncles, Tita Apple, Tito Chris, Tita Kai, Tita Ami, Tito Paul, Tita Lulay, and Tito Pando, who are always there to guide and love me. To my Ate Gina, who is so patient taking care of me. And last but not the least, to my teachers, whom have made my future brighter. I will remember you all and will be grateful to God for blessing me with so much. Thank you.
Isn't it nice, ladies and gentlemen?